Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Muhammad Sikir Pandureswara. I usually called by Nares as a representative and project lead from Scale. It's a DeFi MVP on Kaia, simple USDT transfers and fault saving with secure smart contracts. Decentralized finance is powerful, but most of newcomers it feel intimidating. Even sending stablecoin in this era for newcomers, they require some of knowledge that feels complicated. Yet millions of people don't want complexity. They just want to two simple things. First, to send money easily, and the second one is to save a little every day. That's why we built Scale, smart cross-border asset and liquidity engine. Scale is a beginner-friendly DeFi gateway and Kaya where users can connect wallet, transfer USDT instantly, deposit into vault like saving account and redeem anytime. No jargon, no clutter, just send and save. Our target market is the everyday user who is curious about Web3 but need a simple on-ramp. First, for individual, Scale offers lightweight saving and remittance. For developers, Scale provides an open vault layer to integrate with. And for Kaya and Line, Scales align with their business strategy to providing a real daily use case that drive adoption. And in this era, business is community driven with technologies. That's why Scale is already preparing community space on X for the global crypto audience and already have Line official account in Line. Under the hood, Scale stands on solid foundation. ERC 4626 standards or mini vault follows ERC 4626 for deposits, redemptions, and price per shares accounting, make it portable and auditable. MERN Stack, Mongo, Express, React, and Node power the API indexer and dashboard. Mini SDK integration, Scale is not limited to a website. It can live inside Line mini apps, exposing an EIP 1193 provide for seamless wallet connections. React front-end, a clean crypto native UI for connect, transfers, deposit, and redeem. Right now, I want to tell you some of steps where Scale can use on website, on apps, and also on Kairos testnet. This is the landing page from Scale. We are telling everyone who are we and what are key features and also how it works. And in the last, we want to tell everyone about our roadmap from September until the end of the 2026. Let's connect the wallet. After we connect the wallet, we need to sign the MetaMask and make sure the connection is in our network. After connecting the wallet, the user will shown as a dashboard where they can access the vault immediately from the dashboard or transfer panel, or they can look at the vault section, which is there is a vault overview about their shares, about their amount, and their transaction history. User needs to approve first their allowance to deposit on vault to limitation, and for some financial advising, we advise some people to make carefully take their own tokens on digital era. After approved, they can do deposits. And also they can easily transfer, which in here we're using MUSDT as mock USDT from dev only, that they only need to give the recipient numbers wallet and the amount and just click send to finish the transaction of transfer. Let's go to the next section about connecting with Kairos testnet, which right now I want to tell you about how we interact with contract in other ways without front end. That's direct to Kaya network in testnet Kairos. First of all, I want to export my ENV for my private number, chain, and others needs to access the smart contract. The smart contract was written on the Buidel and also in the README section. First of all, we need to cache faucet to get mock USDT to access the vault or try to transfer. Yep, and this all already succeeds for the faucet section. And the next we need to approve for approving our amount, how much to deposit in vault for the limitation. Success with this hex code. And also the deposit. We can access the deposit directly from contracts and this already success. And also we can also do withdraw from the Kaya. I will set amount It's the same like before, and the status is success. And the last, I want to try to transfer some mock USDT to my other wallets, which is this wallet from this mock USDT contract, and the private key is my wallet, and the status is success. All of these transactions already stored in Kaia Kairos blockchain scanner. We can open like this. Okay. You already seen my wallet is OXE6. This is my wallet. Let me search in Kairos testnet. There you go. This is my wallet transaction history. Like from 2 minutes ago, I'm redeeming faucet from Mockup USDT wallet. And I do approve deposit and withdraw from the transfer vault contracts. And also, I do transfer MUSDT transfer contracts to my friend's wallet. And from the wallet, from the Kaya vault, there is some of transaction already assigned in this. So this means my smart contracts on scales already launched on public and it can usable. And the last thing I want to share you is about our Line Mini app. We already add Leaf front-end framework to the scale in our official account scale. And here's the link to start. And there you go. We can access scale from the mobile easily to daily user from Line. So this will be help a lot of people to access scale in their daily use. There you go. Switch Kairos network. Confirm, enable, there you go. We can access all of the easiness about scale in Mini app by supported by Leaf front-end frameworks by LAN to access the vault, either the transfer panels. There you go. That is the Line Mini app demos. Our vision is scale to be the gateway to Web3 on Kaia. Today is simple transfer and saving. The next step is strategies, swaps, on-ramp, and NFC payment to make more compatible with daily user and gain more business productivity and business partner to expand our services online and Kaia. Always community first. With the X and Line as our engagement engines, with Kaia's technology, Line user reach, and scale minimal UX, we can onboard millions into Web3, making DeFi as natural as sending money or saving every day. And this is where scale creates real impact. By adopting ERC4626 vault standard, scale is interoperable, auditable, and future-proof. With the Mini SDK, scale extend more the browsers into Line Mini apps, meeting user where they already are. And through the MERN plus indexer backend, scale is scalable, reliable, and ready for Kaia's ecosystem growth. This isn't just a hackathon prototype, it's a community-driven, technology-based gateway that helps Kaia and Line bring newcomers into decentralized finance. That's the journey we want to continue, bridging the everyday people into Web3 with Kaia and Line, and growing together in this ecosystem. Thank you.